This week's top stories are: Baar Baar Dekho is the new Siddharth Katrina love story with a twist. MS Dhoni, The Untold Story is all set to release, and star kids in Bollywood. Hi, I'm Shafina and welcome to Bollywood Scoop, where we have all the latest stories and gossip directly from Tinseltown. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get on with the show.
Actor Purab Kohli feels the upcoming second installment of Rock On will be a more mature film, as the stars in the movie have evolved over the years. Rock On, which released in 2008, was about a music band of 4 boys, played by Farhan Akhtar, Arjun Rampal, Kohli and Luke Kenny. The 37-year-old actor says in the gap of 8 years between the 2 installments, a lot has happened in the personal lives of the actors. Kohli told reporters here last night. Katrina Kaif has always preferred to remain guarded about her personal life. In an interview with Rajiv Masand, Katrina, however, decided to open up about her breakup with Ranbir Kapoor. On being asked about how she leads a professional life despite all the unwanted attention on her breakup, Katrina said,
I do think being an actor is quite a luxurious job. We're treated as such. We have staff, we have special, we are treated specially, to be fair.
Yes.
But if I worked in, say, an office,
Right.
or if I was, just had a normal job, you're still going to go to work.
Katrina added,
In some way, that's a good thing, I think. In some way, it forces you to step up, and it forces you to not indulge in self-pity and feeling sorry for yourself. And I think it forces you to get yourself together and stand up quicker. And I think because you want to show your best face to the world, I think.
Although Ranbir Kapoor on his part has so far remained vague and avoided giving any specific reason for their split, he did mention it punctured a lot of things in his life. Rohit Khandelwal, the first Asian to win the Mr. World pageant, now aspires to conquer Bollywood. The 27-year-old model from Hyderabad says he has planned his life and would like to even direct and produce films in future. Shahid Kapoor and wife Meera Rajput became proud parents to their first child, a baby girl. As the news broke and thereafter the new father, Shahid himself took to Twitter to announce the news. The big town biggies too took to their social media to congratulate the new parents. In the list of best wishes, false tweets from Karan Johar, Alia Bhatt, Ritesh Deshmukh, Genelia and Anushka Sharma.
Katrina Kaif and Siddharth Malhotra's dance number, Kala Chashma, was unveiled across all digital platforms, creating history with a groundbreaking record of 4.3 million views in 24 hours. More to follow in this report.
The lead pairing cast in Bollywood films is quite important. Sometimes the lead pair is the reason for the film's popularity. It is the same with Baar Baar Dekho too. The fresh pair of Katrina Kaif and Siddharth Malhotra can be seen in this film. Excellent chemistry can be seen between the two. Baar Baar Dekho is a romantic film. But this film is completely different from other Bollywood romantic sagas. The film's main lead character, that is Siddharth's character, can see the future of his life. Siddharth believes this angle to be the film's USP.
Lots has happened to me and my character in the film. That is the film. You see what happens to this man's life, and he goes through a journey. That is the new USP of the film that we're trying to show. That what if you could see the future of your love, and the mistakes that you made, or the opportunities that you have lost or you get, is very difficult to say it in one line.
Katrina Kaif is Siddharth's love interest, and she is about to get married to him. But Siddharth is not too happy with this wedding. What happens to him after this will only be known after the film's release. Siddharth debuted in 2012 with Student of the Year, and this is the 6th film of his career. So far, Siddharth has only worked with actresses from his generation. Alia Bhatt was opposite him in Student of the Year, and the film was also Alia's debut. In the film Hasi To Fasi, released in 2014, Siddharth paired up with Parineeti Chopra. But this fresh pairing could not interest the audience much, and the film was a flop at the box office. The film Ek Villain released in the same year. His chemistry with Shraddha Kapoor was highly praised. Ek Villain was a hit, and Shraddha and Siddharth's pair was hot. In the film Brothers, released in 2015, there was no lead actress opposite Siddharth. This was a hardcore action film in which he shared screen space with Akshay Kumar. Siddharth again paired up with Alia Bhatt in Kapoor and Sons in 2016. Like his previous film, people liked this pair in this film too. So this is the first time that Siddharth has paired up with a senior actress. Katrina herself has worked with big actors from Bollywood. Kat is involved in that exclusive list of actresses of the film industry who has worked with all 3 Khans. She has also paired up several times with actors like Hrithik Roshan and Akshay Kumar. Katrina's pairing with all these actors has been well liked. The pairing of Katrina and Siddharth is also getting the same kind of attention. We hope that the chemistry between this couple who look hot in the trailer will remain good throughout the film. The audience would love this very much.
MS Dhoni, The Untold Story is an upcoming biopic directed by Neeraj Pandey, releasing in theatres soon. The film features Sushant Singh Rajput in the leading role as Dhoni. Kiara Advani and Anupam Kher play supporting roles. More details coming up in this report.
India's cricket's most successful captain, Mahendra Singh Dhoni's life is being depicted on the big screen in the film MS Dhoni, The Untold Story by Neeraj Pandey. His character is being played on the screen by Sushant Singh Rajput.
Dhoni finishes off in style, a magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after.
काफ़ी सारे मेरे दोस्त हैं, काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं जो मुझे जानते हैं, बट आई थिंक नीरज बिकॉज काफ़ी चीज़ें हमने एक्सचेंज किया, शेयर किया, तो आई थिंक ही नोज अ लॉट ऑफ मी, द इनसाइड स्टोरी ऑफ मी. मैं कैसे सोचता हूँ, अगर मैंने कुछ किया तो मैंने क्यों किया या कैसे किया, तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा जानते हैं. तो इफ़ यू कैन कन्विंस हिम फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, यू विल गेट अ बेटर इंटरव्यू देन रियली आस्किंग मी अ क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी बार बोल जाऊँगा नहीं इस टॉपिक पे नहीं बोल सकता, ये नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता.
The film's trailer was recently launched in Jalandhar. The film story starts with Mahendra Singh Dhoni being a football wicketkeeper instead of being on the cricket team. Recognizing his talents, one of his school teachers made him a wicketkeeper in the cricket team. Rajesh Sharma played the role of the game's teacher in the film. In MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, those aspects of cricketer Dhoni's life have been shown which are not known to the general public. Things like his father's anger over Dhoni's growing interest in cricket. Anupam Kher plays the role of Dhoni's father in the film. He wants his son to be settled in a government job instead of struggling in cricket. The main part of the film also deals with doubts regarding Dhoni's rise and his gaming style. In MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, his love life has also been portrayed. Sushant Singh Rajput's hard work can be seen in the film's trailer. He has played the character of MS Dhoni very well. This is the 5th film of Sushant's career, and in the film's trailer as an actor, his talent is apparent. In 2013, Sushant debuted with Kai Po Che. This film of Abhishek Kapoor was a hit at the box office. But his second film, Shuddh Desi Romance, was not able to work such wonders. Parineeti Chopra and Vaani Kapoor were seen opposite Sushant in this romantic film. In Rajkumar Hirani's film PK, Sushant was opposite Anushka Sharma, even though he only had a cameo role in the film. He only faced more disappointment with the film Detective Byomkesh Bakshi, released last year. This was also a Yash Raj banner film, and its director was Diwakar Banerjee. But with MS Dhoni, Sushant Singh Rajput will try his best to be successful.
Excitement, not pressure. And very honestly, there are films in your career You do it with full honesty, and you end up being a good actor. But there are very, very rare films that you do and you end up being a good human being. And this is one of them.
In the film, the role of his wife Sakshi was played by Kiara Advani. Their pair can also be seen in the trailer. MS Dhoni The Untold Story is being released in September. Now we must see how much this film, which is included in Bollywood's most awaited films, is cheered at the box office by the audience.